student. This video is all about the candidates who are appearing the TBSC Physics Practical Exam for the year 2021. Through this video, I want to discuss few steps that you have to follow in the exam. Already you know about the mark distribution of the Physics Practical Exam. Total mark is 30. For your experiment, there is 18 marks. For your laboratory notebook, there is 5 marks. For Viva, 2 marks. And more 5 marks is coming from the pre-board exam. Now the step. In the first step, you have to prepare one laboratory notebook with correct records and data, and it should be clear records. That copy must be checked by your physics teacher so that if there is any mistake, you can correct yourself. Moreover, you are not allowed to sit in the exam without duly signed by your physics teacher. Now the second step. Every candidate have to perform one experiment. The experiment will be selected by drawing cards. At first, every candidate will draw 2 cards, out of which he have to select one experiment. If the candidate does not agree to do that experiment, he may allow to draw more 1 cards when the subsequent drawing of cards by the remaining candidates will be over. But in that case, 1 marks may be deducted. After selecting the experiment, you will write the working formula, setting up of apparatus, circuit diagram or relevant figure, and will make one necessary table for the recording of data and will show to the examiner. The examiner will go through every part and will put his signature. No need to write the procedure. The candidates will take their record with proper unit and clearly. Overwriting, no correction ink are permitted there. The candidates will show at least 2 readings to the examiner for the signature and verification. After the stepwise calculation, the candidates will write the final statement or the relevant conclusion and will submit to the examiner. In the third step, the Viva. Viva also important for the physics practical exam because through Viva, the examiner will check the standard of knowledge of the candidates. The candidates can prepare themselves for the Viva by reading the relevant topic with the experiment, and also he can read the questions that given in the laboratory notebook. Just by the 3 steps, the exam will be over. So there is the end of the physics practical exam. So all the best for your physics practical exam. Thank you for that watching the video.